we want to bring you Mr. Checkpoint. Mr. Checkpoint is here with a complete, or at least as complete as he can make it, list of all the DUI checkpoints out there that you need to look out for this weekend. Mr. Checkpoint at MrCheckpoint.com. Go ahead.
Thank you, Tom. So police are setting up DUI checkpoints up and down California tonight. Starting in Los Angeles County, there's a checkpoint in South LA. It's on Manchester between Hoover and Figueroa. There's also 4 undisclosed locations throughout Los Angeles County. We're working on revealing these right now. They're going to be in Compton, Santa Monica County, and Pasadena. Orange County, we found 2 exact DUI locations. One is in Santa Ana. This one is on 5th Street, east of Fairview. If you're in Newport Beach, there's a checkpoint on Dover Drive. That's at 16th Street. There's also 3 DUI checkpoints in the Inland Empire. First is in Redlands. This one's on Citrus, eastbound between Church and Central. The other locations are undisclosed. One will be held in Coachella Valley, the other in Temecula. Santa Barbara, we have a DUI checkpoint. That will be undisclosed in the city of Goleta. And last, San Diego Police Department gave 0 notice, quietly setting up a checkpoint that I just discovered in Pacific Beach. This is on Mission Boulevard and Grand Avenue. And Tom, I'd just like to remind everyone to avoid responsibly. Follow Mr. Checkpoint on Twitter, and we'll continue to reveal these exact locations of all undisclosed checkpoints I've mentioned.
MrCheckpoint.com. Thank you so much.
Coast to coast.